Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install PHP latest version on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So open any web browser and just search here PHP, then press enter. Now open this official link php.net. Now here guys we can see here latest version PHP 8.1.16. And here we can see the release date. So to download it, just click on download. Now here guys you have to click on this Windows downloads. Now here you can see the two version, non-thread safe and thread safe. So it's about 30 MB. So select anyone for 64-bit. So like this one, click on this zip file and complete this downloading process. Now once this downloading process complete, click on show in folder. Now right click on it and extract all. Click on extract. Now here guys you will find out. Now guys rename this folder. So remove some extra and just keep your PHP version. Now right click on this folder and rename. So remove these extra letters. Now copy and open C drive. Now open program files and paste here. It will ask permission, so click on continue. Now select open this folder and click this bar and copy this address. Now click on start and type here edit environment variables for account. Here guys you can use these two options. Best is system variables. Now here guys select path, then click on edit, then here click on new, enter this address, then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now restart your system. And guys if you want to verify your installation of PHP, so search CMD and open it. Now type here PHP. So as we can see we have this successfully installed PHP 8.2.3. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not. And this video we learned today how to download and install PHP on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And also we learn how to check and verify PHP installation on Windows. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe this channel.